Hello, hi, namaste to everyone. Welcome to you all in our today's mathematics class. I hope that everybody is fine. Today I am going to present one problem here, already mentioned on the board, already written on the board. Everybody will be clear by watching this video to this question, and will be able to solve the such type of questions. Here, our today's question is here. I am going to read out the question. An article when sold at a profit of 5% else rupees 50 more than when sold at a loss of 5%. An article when sold at a profit of 5%, if the article is sold for 5% profit, then there will be happen rupees 50 more than when sold at a loss of 5% profit. If the article is sold at 5% loss, it will be 5% loss. Then, if the same article without selling at loss of 5% loss, if we sell by doing rupees 50 more in this selling price where we are getting 5% loss, then there will be the profit of 5%. So, what was the cost price of the article? What was the cost price of the article? Cost price CP we have to find here. So, everybody understand this is a word problem question, verbal problem question, so that may be confusion here. First of all, read the question properly. I said already, an article when sold at a profit of 5% as rupees 50 more than when sold at a loss of 5%. If we sell the same article in which 5% loss we are getting, in this selling price, if we add 50 rupees more than we sell, then we get 5% profit. Case is this. The case of this question is the selling price from the selling price we find from where 5% we are getting loss. In this selling price of the second case, where we are getting 5% loss, in this selling price, if we add 50 rupees more, then again we sell it, then there we get 5% profit. So, if this is the situation of this question, then what was the cost price of the article? We have to find the cost price of the article, CP we have to find. So, everybody look it here, I am going to solve it. Solution. We have to solve from the back side because question is saying there is 5% loss getting. If there 50 rupees is added more in this selling price, in which 5% loss we are getting in this selling price, if we add 50 rupees more, then we get 5% profit. Then what is the CP here, cost price we have to find. So let's start from the back side. So here cost price we don't know. So whatever in this mathematics you know that wherever whatever is unknown, that can be supposed by any alphabet A, B, C, X, Y, Z, we can suppose it. So here better we suppose one X here. So CP we can CP is unknown, cost price is unknown here. So cost price we can consider. So I suppose it, let CP of an article B rupees X. Articles CP we can suppose X. Then I said already that 5% loss is getting. We have to do solution from back side. 5% loss is getting. So we can do loss is equal to 5% we have. 5% loss we have. If CP we have, loss we have, then we know the formula. SP is equal to we know that formula here. We know that selling price SP is equal to CP plus it is loss, so we can do minus here, CP minus loss percent of CP. If there we are getting loss, then we can do SP is equal to CP minus loss percent of CP. Let's put value here. CP we have X, we are supposing minus L percent is 5%, we can put 5% of CP we don't have, we are considering X. This is equal to X minus 5% is 5 per 100, 5 by 100 of multiply we can do X. This is equal to X minus 5 by 100 we can do, divide 5 by 100 it will be 0.05. This X we have, X we can put same, that is X minus 0.05, then we will get here 0.95 X. This is the selling price. This is the selling price of the article if it is sold for 5% loss, which is coming in the form of X. So it is an exact number we don't have, but this is in the form of X. So here similarly again we can do Again, if it is sold for rupees 50 more, then in previous selling price, in which 5% loss we are getting, in this selling price, if we add 50 rupees more, then we can get the 5% loss. Everybody, you know that in this previous selling price, in which we are getting 5% loss, in this selling price, if we add rupees 50 more, then we get the 5% profit there. So according to this question, we can do, if it is sold for rupees 50 more, then we get here selling price. Our selling price becomes previous one 0.95 extra, 0.95 extra, plus this 50 we have to add. Okay, then there is profit is equal to 5%. There we have profit is equal to 5%. SP we have profit, we have CP already we have there extra. Now again we can apply the formula. Again the same formula here we can apply. Now we know that SP is equal to CP plus profit percent P% of CP. SP we have, SP means not this SP. SP in second case, whatever we are getting SP. In previous selling price, when we add 50 rupees more, then we get new selling price here, this selling price, in which we have 5% profit. In this selling price, we have 5% profit. In this selling price, we have 5% loss. Not this selling price, we should not use here. We have to use here SP. This SP means this SP we can put here 0.95 extra plus this 50 rupees we have already. CP already we have considered their extra. We can put plus profit percent we have 5% of X we can do, or 0.95 extra plus 50 is equal to X plus calculation are very easy. Just the matter to understand is these two things here. This and this you have to understand where what we have to do. If you understand the problem, where we have to do, what we have to do, if you understand the problem easily, then the solution is very normal. X plus 5% we can do 5 divided by 100, you know, of means multiply X is simple things, that is 0.95 X plus 50 rupees is equal to this X plus 5 divided by 100. If you press calculator, then 0.05 we get, with X multiply then 0.05 X, or here is 0.95 X we have to put as it is, plus 50 rupees we have to put as it is. This we can add 1 plus 0.05, then it will be 1.05 X. Here we have to find the value of X. So 0.95 X it is in plus, we can carry to the right side in minus, and 50 remains here same as it is here, is equal to 1.05 X. We have 0.95 X it is in plus, this goes there in minus, so this we can add minus 0.95 X. Or we can do 50 as it is here, is equal to this, we can subtract 1.05 minus 95, we can do then 0. What becomes here? 0.1 X it comes. You can press calculator 1.05 minus 0.95, then you can get 0.1 X. You can get 0.1 X here. You have to subtract here. In this way we can do. Everybody you know that calculation 1.05 minus, if you press 0.95, then 0.1 X comes. The next value we have to find here, or here X is equal to, X is alone, so we have to find X. 50 divided by 0.1 it is to multiply, this goes in divide here to the right side, 0.1 goes in divide, or X is equal to here it will be 100. Otherwise we have to press calculator. You press calculator, if you become confused, then you can press calculator divided by 0.1, then this becomes 500 becomes. So here we can say 500. So what is this 500? 500 is the cost price here. CP we have suppose X is here, we are supposing X, that is therefore the required CP, the required cost price of article is rupees 500. So in this way we can solve the problem. So I hope that everybody you will be clear to solve the question this by watching this video till the end. I hope you can understand it. So all these students, please watch this video till the end and understand the problem. I will try to such type of other many problems from the textbook or from the practice book. So for today only this much. For more videos you will watch later on. I will make other videos like this. So I hope that this video will enhance the educational, that is mathematical status of the students. So my dear students, please learn it by heart. Thank you very much.